Hi, it's Marcy Davis from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And today we're going to look at a book by Martha Mier called Romantic Impressions, and it is for early intermediate to intermediate pianists. We're just going to take a peek inside. I'll give you a little tour. So the first piece here is Morning Glories. It has one sharp, on this one is very chord based. We've got some block chords here that you probably played before. The 7th chord, and then we just have a little bit of rhythm pattern. You've probably played those patterns before. And then the right hand moves around a little bit. All right, let's take a look at the next one. We've got Sandcastles, and we have a lot of 7th chord patterns on this one, all throughout the left hand. She's using some of the same patterns here, different chords, some of the same kind of oom-pa pattern that she did in the previous one. Let's take a look at the Carousel Ride. This one has 2 flats, B flat and E flat. Recognize that oom-pa pattern. Again, very chord-based. There's no chord symbols, but we can always write them in. Recognizing patterns always helps you to learn a little bit more efficiently. And then we have a nice one called Tahitian Sunset, 1 sharp. Different chord patterns in here, but still a nice repeating left hand. Makes it a little bit easier to learn with a lot of repeated patterns. And that one was 3 pages. A lot of the pieces in here are 3 pages long. We've got a Moonlight Waltz. You'll definitely recognize the left hand on this one. We have Happy Heart, and we're back to 1 sharp on this one. She really does like that nice descending pattern with the bass note going down. It's kind of nice. You get to reuse some of the same patterns in different songs. And here's Whispering Wind. Hold my hand. There's no sharps, no flats on this one. Wildflower Waltz. One sharp on this one. So there we have it, a little sample of everything in the book. If any of those sound interesting to you and you're my current student, we have that one in the lending library. So let me know if you'd like to borrow it.